Hello and good day to all you fine people listening and watching our demo today. My name is Angel Carbonell and I will be presenting our Charge Anywhere QuickSale STEM platform for you today. Before we get started, the Charge Anywhere team and I hope that you and your families are doing well and staying safe during these unique times. We also want to take the time to thank Jamie Garfield and the entire SEAA team for pulling off this great virtual event for us. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today, Charge Anywhere is going to demonstrate QuickSale STEM, our cutting-edge centralized and remote terminal management platform. The relevance and importance of remote terminal deployment, application programming, encryption key injections, receipt customization, along with updating and maintaining these functions for merchants with payment acceptance terminals in their place of business is higher than ever due to COVID-19. With QuickSale STEM, banks, ISOs, processors, and PSPs are going to see a powerful payment terminal management platform. Imagine what you can do if we can save you an hour or more per day on simple tasks of updating terminals for your merchant base. Imagine the improvement in efficiency and customer satisfaction with having their payment terminals updated in real time without interrupting the merchant, batching, or asking them to download or any complex terminal functions to perform. But first, let me introduce you to our QuickSale line of state-of-the-art Android Smart Payment Terminals. Charge Anywhere has certified 2 lines of Android Smart Terminals for use in EMV contact and contactless cards, PIN debit, EBT card payments, and more. These cutting-edge terminals are secure and leverage the robust Android OS. They have the ability to connect for transaction processing via hotspot, Wi-Fi networks, and 4G GPRS wireless network. Our terminals are delivered with QuickSale Terminal application preloaded, a robust feature-rich payment application with 100+ configuration options, including the ability to set up cash discount, surcharging, email print receipts, manage multiple sales taxes, tips by amount and percentage, pin on glass, and more. Without any further delay, let me introduce you to our QuickSale terminals. First, our Q1 model. This ruggedized payment terminal has a touchscreen, physical pin pad, magnetic stripe reader, and EMV chip card reader for contact and contactless cards with a built-in receipt printer and hand strap. The Q1 has been drop tested and certified to withstand a 4-foot fall. It has a very fast quad-core processor for quick transactions. These terminals can connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, a hotspot from a cell phone or any internet device, and or a wireless network with a 4G GPRS SIM card. It has a long battery life lasting 12 hours on a single charge, an integrated 2¼ thermal receipt printer, a fast responsive 4-inch color LCD screen, and adjustable hand strap, which makes this terminal ergonomically designed to fit on your hand. The perfect solution for field sales, merchants on the go, road warriors, delivery drivers, and even clumsy personnel. Next is our Q2 model, a sleek 5.5-inch touchscreen Android payment terminal with pin on glass, a magnetic stripe reader, and EMV chip card reader for contact and contactless cards with a built-in printer. The Q2 can also connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, a hotspot from a cell phone or any internet device, and or a wireless network with a 4G GPRS SIM card. This pin on glass terminal has a full-color LCD 5.5-inch touchscreen, a quad-core processor for fast performance, a 2¼ thermal receipt printer, and a long-life battery to meet your merchant's processing needs. A great and reliable device for any card-present environment. Moving on to our third Android wireless payment terminal, the QuickSale S1F. This state-of-the-art sleek 5.5-inch touchscreen Android payment terminal with pin and glass has a magnetic stripe reader and an EMV chip card reader for contact and contactless with a built-in thermal printer. It can connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, a hotspot from a cell phone or any internet device, a wireless network with a 4G GPRS SIM card. This pin on glass terminal has a full-color LCD 5.5-inch touchscreen, an octa-core processor for super fast performance, and a 2¼ inch thermal receipt printer. A great device for any card-present environment with a high-capacity battery to meet the daily demands across the dynamic retail, QSR, or restaurant environments. And finally, our QuickSale S1E. This state-of-the-art, sleek 5.5-inch touchscreen Android tablet payment terminal with a pin on glass has the magnetic stripe reader and EMV chip card reader for contact and contactless without a printer. The S1E can connect to the internet via Wi-Fi, a hotspot from a cell phone or any internet device, and or a wireless network with a 4G GPRS SIM card. This pin-on-glass terminal has a full-color LCD 5-inch touchscreen, a quad-core processor for fast performance. This is a great device for any card-present environment with a high-capacity battery to meet the daily demands across a dynamic retail, QSRs, or restaurant environments. Compact enough to fit in your pocket. So that's 4 Android Smart POS terminals to choose from that are processor certified with TSYS and Pfizer First Data, Level 3 certified with card brands, so they are ready to be deployed today. Now I'm going to show you the power behind these terminals by introducing you to our STEM platform and QuickSale, our payment application. QuickSale comes preloaded on all our terminals. This is a user-friendly interface with the ability to do cash discount, surcharge, add tip, tax, integrate into QuickBooks, and perform recurrent transactions, all from the palm of your hand. On the left side of your screen, what you're looking at is the QuickSale terminal application running on your Android Smart POS terminal. On the right side of your screen, you are looking at our QuickSale STEM platform, which you access through logging into our partner portal. Now we're going to perform a real-life scenario for you. We are going to run a transaction to show you the actual phone number on the receipt. Then we will go into our STEM platform, click on Receipt Options, and update the merchant's phone number. Let's say we have on the phone a merchant that called into customer support and informed the rep that the business phone number has changed and he wants to now correct the phone number that is printed out on the receipts. Normally at this time, if we're using standard payment terminals, the agent would create a new terminal profile for the merchant's terminal. He would download it into a flash drive, then drive out to the merchant's location, wait until the merchant is available to upload the new profile to the terminal, and then process the update. This usually takes a very long time to accomplish. In some instances, a TMS system can be used to send an update to your merchant's terminal at a certain time of the day. However, typically, tech support needs to call the merchant and instruct them to close the batch and then take complicated steps telling the merchants to press here or there to receive the update. Sometimes you may have to wait for the merchant to become available, and after the download of the update, you may need to reboot the terminal before the update goes live. We all know that merchants are not usually technically savvy or patient, and if unfamiliar with the terminal, they make mistakes extending the support call and resolution. Because of all of these things, the average technical support call can take anywhere from 15 minutes to hours, depending on those circumstances. Okay, so now we welcome you to the future of terminal deployment using QuickSale's STEM platform. Fast and easy deployments. Once we deploy a QuickSale terminal and the merchant powers it up, the terminal connects to the internet. The very first action is to automatically check back into the STEM to ensure that the terminal has the most recently published firmware version and the most recent payment application, or custom app if you have a custom app. The QuickSale terminal application also automatically configures itself based on your default preferences, such as credit cards on or off, PIN debit on or off, gift cards on or off, which are pre-configured in our partner portal. And QuickSale will automatically inject your encryption keys for PIN debit and SRED for point-to-point encryption. After the update, I will run another transaction and show you the new receipt with the updated phone number. So now back to the merchant that called in. So the support rep logs into the STEM portal and selects the data element that needs to be updated, and then updates the phone number like so and sends the update to the terminal. Now, as you can see, the terminal was updated in real time and the update executed on the fly. I'm going to run another transaction and show you the new receipt. Here's the phone number updated on the terminal and the phone number we inputted in the stem. And that is it. You're done. The terminal is updated. The merchant didn't have to touch the terminal or stop using the terminal. The update is pushed from the QuickSale stem system to the QuickSale terminal application in real time. There's no complicated instructions for the merchant to follow. The merchant does not need to batch out the terminal. They do not need to reboot the terminal. They never have to stop using the terminal. The merchant's terminal is updated in seconds, and very simply, the QuickSale application takes the update and applies it on the fly. Now, let's perform another scenario and enable the service fee for this terminal. Again, the update is pushed in real time. The terminal is updated in real time without any assistance from the merchant. Now imagine your customer satisfaction to have the technology to update and resolve their problems in real time. Imagine the time you will save by updating terminals in real time from the safety of your office. In summary, with the QuickSale stem system, you can easily and effectively remotely deploy and administer your payment terminals from the safety of your office. Increase your customer satisfaction, your staff productivity, and keep everyone safe. From all of us here at Charge Anywhere, we want to thank you for viewing this demo. If you have any questions or would like more information about any of Charge Anywhere's products and services, please feel free to contact me directly.